Indian aviation is witnessing a surge of entrepreneurs eager to carve out their niches in transporting people domestically and internationally. Indigo remains the market leader, while Air India is merging with Vistara and Air India Express is consolidating with Air Asia India. SpiceJet is facing challenges and Go Air Go First is heading toward liquidation. The Indian aviation industry is primarily dominated by Indigo, which holds around 55-60% of the domestic market share. Other significant players include SpiceJet, 10-15%, Air India, 10-15% after its restructuring, Vistara, 5-10%, and Go First, 5-7%. Market shares can fluctuate based on seasonal demand and operational changes, reflecting the competitive landscape of the industry. In this evolving landscape, Akasa Air launched in 2022 and has already gone international, while Star Air, established in 2019, is developing a solid regional operation with Embraer aircraft. Airlines like Alliance Air, Flynim One, Flybig, and India One Air are operating turboprop services, with more new entrants on the horizon. Meanwhile, Jet Airways remains in a state of uncertainty. Before going to the details, do subscribe to my channel, Trivia Bistro, and don't forget to like and comment. Sharvan K. Vishwakarma is spearheading Shank Air, an airline project initiated in 2023, aiming to launch from Uttar Pradesh with a base at Noida International Airport in Jiwar. Having received a no objection certificate from the Indian Ministry of Civil Aviation, Shank Air plans to operate Boeing 777-800 NG aircraft in a full-service 2-class model and is currently negotiating with lessors for aircraft acquisition. Obtaining the NOC is just the beginning. Shank Air must now induct aircraft, hire staff, conduct security checks for key personnel, draft operational manuals, complete proving flights, and secure an air operator permit from the DGCA. Additionally, they will need to arrange slots for various routes and develop complex IT systems. While they aim to launch in late 2024, 2025 is likely a more realistic target. Air Kerala represents the long-held ambition of the state to establish its own airline. After years of discussions, progress is finally being made. The airline plans to operate from Kochi using ATR-72 turboprop aircraft to connect various destinations within Kerala and beyond. Promoted by UAE-based Afi Ahmed and Ayub Kallada, Air Kerala also received its no objection clearance from the Indian Ministry of Civil Aviation in July. The airline aims to start operations in 2025 with 3 ATR-722 aircraft, eventually expanding to 20 planes for international routes, targeting connections for non-resident Keralites in the Middle East. Although details on obtaining necessary slots and bilateral agreements remain unspecified. Harish Kuti has been appointed CEO of the airline. He brings experience from Salam Air, Air Arabia, and SpiceJet.